Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Data Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming. And in this session number 39, we are going to learn how to implement a method in the class and then use it with the inheritance. This is the last session on the inheritance project, and now let's start a program here. And I am going to create a new program. In the last lectures we are talking about the inheritance, and basically Ruby programming offers us the single inheritance. And basically inheritance is not meaning that you can approach to the only variables inheritance. Example 3, that you can also approach to the methods with the inheritance. So just create a Ruby program first here, and I am going to create a class here of, of implies, and just like that, class imply. And in this class imply we are using attribute to declare variables. Wait for intelligence. Okay. Oh, it's better to use IntelliSense rather than to write the code with your own hand until you are not perfect in coding. Attribute assessors, and in this I am going to uh, declare three variables: name, and then age, then gender, which is common in all the variables here. And now I am going to create a class and department, for example, and in this I am going to create another variable, attribute assessor, and use department name, comma, department salary, for example. And now we are creating a method. For example, define a method here with the name of for example, salary. And in this method I am going to return the salary of the, and use salary of your department, something like this, your department, and then show these values with the help of interpretation, and use the value name of department name here. Now okay, at this stage we are going to create the instances of the department, and as you know that we are not adding the inheritance with the implies, so okay, we are adding the inheritance with the imply section here. Okay, now we are going to create the first department is equal to new department, department dot new, sorry, depart dot new. And I thought we have missing arguments, it's okay. Now we are going to dep dot and use department name. Name is equal to, for example, accounts department, And if we are going to display puts department name, and now we execute this application to understand whether it's working or not, or is there any kind of errors or not. So you need to run this application first. Okay, that's mean we have the right here information account department. And now if we will remove this ports here and just call dep dot salary method, and then execute that whether what is the answer of our requirement. Okay, you can see that the salary of your department account, it means the account variable was having the values from this one and then approaches to this one. The salary of your, I think we can make sentence more your whatever the department name is amount, and then we once again use the interpretation, and here we use and sign and depth salary here. Okay, now we will set the value of the department dot depth salary is equal to 25,000. And now we will execute this program once again and see that what is the result of our method. So you can see that the values are automatically set here. Now it means that this is the independent work, and now we are going to set the inheritance values of here. For example, at department dot can we approach to the name and write the name of the employee, and use this dear sir, and use interpretation once again and use and sign and name here, and run this program once again. Okay, you can see that the name variable is not declared in this class, but it was approaching to the employee section, and employee created the employee class variable name for this department here, and the values are automatically called with this method. Now for example, if we want to declare some initialize method in the employee method, then automatically which kind of values will be shown or not, that will be the important section here. Now we are creating an initialize method or constructor for our program, and you initialized with the variables name, age, name, we can say ename, age, gender. Okay, and here we will assign these values, and name at the rate name is equal to ename, age is equal to age, gender is equal to gender. I think we are missing some spelling here, gender, and that is right here. Okay, now if we are creating the values with the help of this thing and search values like this, Muhammad Ali, age will be 36 and gender will be male here. Okay, now I just remove this one and run this I think department, we have gender. Is there missing anything? Don't phone, department name, why it was showing phone here. Okay, the program is run successfully here. Not worry about this. I'm just changing the things here. I just changed the name here and then run this program once again. You can see that the salary of your account department is 25. The name is set automatically, and if we want to add your age is, and then once again inspect it with the help of age, then you can see that the age was automatically set here. Okay, if you want to inspect the elements with the help of dot inspect, then you can understand that which kind of variables are automatically set or which kind of variables are not set with the help of this thing. So you can see that all the variable age, gender, these are the variables of the employee class, and after that it will the gender class department class variables are set. If we will move these variables constructor from this place to the this place, then what kind of effect will be created? We will just run this program once again. You can see that nothing will be changed here. Either you are creating the constructor in the employee class or either in the department class, no effect will be created here. So these are the major concepts you will understand while understanding the inheritance in the Ruby program. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.